Hello people, you're welcome back to the channel. It's your one and only Lady Jackson, bringing you this entertainment Big Brother Naija update as it is hot. Now, for those of you who didn't know, there was a Bigiverse game yesterday at Ikeja City Mall, hosted by Hero Daniels. Of course, the person you can see, that guy that does a reaction to both the after interviews of ex-housemates of Big Brother shows and their reactions to extreme things that people do. Now, they had a very fun time yesterday, and it was basically a very good thing to see that they gave a lot of gifts. There were DSTV decoders, and I think there was GoTV decoders. There were games where people had to pair themselves into the ex-housemate seasons, and then they battled for the grand prize of about 500,000 naira. So yes, a group of people, a group of 2 or 3 or 4 people earned themselves 500,000 naira yesterday after they won the game show, and it was all fun from there on. And of course, that particular video is going to be attached later towards the end of this video. Now, Big Brother released a video where the housemates who would be on the All-Star season were interviewed, but it was an audio and their voices were distorted. So yes, this is a season of second chances, you know, a house of second chances. So like I said in the previous 2 videos I made, we're going to be expecting either the first runner-ups who are going to be in the show and those who were disqualified from the show. So we're probably expecting all of them to be around. That should be Tacha, Beauty. If Beauty gets to be available, then we don't know. But I don't think somebody like Bella would be around, because she has said that she wasn't going to come back to the show even if she was called back. So we don't expect her to be there. I heard voices, I think Cross, Saga, or Adekunle. Those voices, I think I could identify those ones, and it is what it is. Anyways, Big Brother has announced that the old beef will be reignited. The drama, the parties, it's just going to be a whole load of craziness. I don't know how these housemates are going to navigate this season, but it's going to be crazy. There will be a lot of pride, a lot of show off, and there's going to be, you know, more chaos and drama, because now they're all made and they want to show us what they're made of. And you know, if you're made, come and show what you're made of. Now, just to remind every one of us, the show will be starting tomorrow at 7 p.m. It's going to air on DSTV 1 channel 198 and GoTV. We're having an issue with the GoTV. Channel 29 and 49 are being announced. So the truth is, just check out on your decoder. It should be popping up already which of them it's airing. For those of you who have already done it, you should be seeing your screens showing like this, and it is going to be a whole load of marvelousness from there. Now guys, of course, don't forget that I'm going to be bringing you the show back to back from day 1 to the last day, and all I need you to do is to subscribe to this channel, click on the bell button beside for notification every post, and also watch the videos till the end. Also a reminder, Mondays will no longer be head of house challenge. Instead, it will be black envelope challenge on Mondays at 7 p.m. Diary room will be on Tuesdays and Wednesdays from 1 p.m. till whenever. And then tax and presentation will be going on from Tuesdays to Saturdays, which is cool, from 4 p.m. every Tuesdays to Saturdays. And then Saturday, the pool party will be on Thursdays at 8 p.m. That is pool party and grill. And then the Saturday night rave, which was the Saturday night party, will be on Saturdays at 9 p.m. Now, it's going to be a whole lot of booty shaking. Anyways, and then the live eviction show would be on Sundays by 7 p.m. We're going to see the crazy evictions and everything that's going to just happen from there. Of course, I'm going to still be bringing you all you crave. Hot, hot, hot. On point. Straight to the point. No too much talk. I might start showing my face on the screens again, but either way, I'm just going to be bringing the updates as quick as possible. So of course, don't forget to stick around.
Please make some noise for the lockdown team. Make some noise for the lockdown team. I know it's a big vibe, because them know steady. I know it's a big vibe, but This one are Team Fine Boys. What's good? What's good? What's good? Are you bringing home tonight? Are you bringing home the money or the money to the home? Which one? All right, all right. Make some noise for the lockdown season. And now make some noise for the Pere dance season. Correct. Kill it. Bbnaija8 we measure them. What's good? Are you bringing home the money? Sure. Certainly. Sure. He's sure for them. Make some noise for, please step over to the other side. Make some noise for Shine Your Eye team. All right. So when you win this money, who's the first person you're going to send money to? My pastor. 10% Abi. All right, come on, make some noise for Team Shine Your Eye. All right, give it up for Team Level Up. Please step over to that side. Give it up for Team Level Up. All right, quick. Triple up. Kill it. Who around the world? Who is going to run this show? All right, give it up for Team Level Up. And our final team tonight, give it up for Double Wahala. All right. Blessed are you amongst women, and blessed is the fruit of your womb. Alpha, standing amongst these two queens, do you think it gives you an advantage? Yeah, sure. Alpha, are you guys gonna win the money?
By the grace of God.
All right. One more time, please give it up for our 16th. All right. So the first game we're going to start with, we're going to be starting with